Fourth death anniversary of PAF's first Pakistani Commander-in-Chief, Air Marshal Mohammad Asghar Khan, is being observed on 5th of January 2022. Asghar Khan was born on 17th day of January 1921. After early schooling, he joined Royal Indian Air Force in the month of December 1940. Following the partition of subcontinent, Asghar Khan opted to join Royal Pakistan Air Force. He assumed responsibilities as the first Commandant of the Royal Pakistan Air Force Academy, Risalpur, where he served from 1947 to 1949. In 1957, Asghar Khan was bestowed upon the rank of Air Marshal and was made Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Air Force at the age of 36. Following his retirement, Asghar Khan founded Tehreek-e-Istiqlal and played a considerable role as a politician.